In what appears to be an ambitious move, Pakistan is emulating Western countries to control the crime rate in its largest city of Karachi. It is introducing skating police to prevent broad daylight theft and harassment on teeming city streets. But considering the crumbling road infrastructure and the nature of crimes that are reported in the city, the prospects of this Western model succeeding in Pakistan are highly unlikely.
Gliding in a circle with weapons, this 20-member unit made up of 10 men and 10 women is being trained for a specific purpose: to contain a deeply entrenched and swiftly expanding crime culture in the city. The authorities say their prime targets will be perpetrators committing theft of valuable including mobile phones, motorbikes and cars. The number of such crimes was average 18,000 per year until 2019. The situation has recorded a slight improvement since then, but not enough to make citizens feel safe. Dubbed as mega city, Karachi continues to find itself among the most unsafe areas on the planet, where both locals and tourists suffer equally at the hands of criminals. Authorities are confident that they can bring the situation under control with innovative measures like policing on skates.
मैं ये फील हुआ कि कराची में स्ट्रीट क्राइम की वारदातें रोकने के लिए वी नीड टू कम अप विथ सम इनोवेटिव अप्रोच. हमने एनालाइज़ किया, हमने ये देखा कि कुछ स्पॉट्स हैं जहाँ पर ज़्यादा इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं, से फॉर एग्जांपल मोबाइल स्नैचिंग के. तो और दूसरा ये कि हमने ये भी देखा कि अक्सर मोटरसाइकिल्स पे होते हैं लोग जो कि जिनके लिए भागना आसान होता है. मोबाइल व्हीकल पर जो टीम होती है उसके लिए एट टाइम्स उनको चेस करना थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट होता है.
While some have hailed the decision as innovative and a potential game changer, a large number of residents are skeptical, raising doubts if poor road infrastructure of the city will be conducive for such endeavors. Although police have admitted that this team could not be deployed across Karachi due to uneven roads and footpaths, locals argue that most of the crimes are committed in those areas.
स्ट्रीट क्राइम के अलावा दूसरा एक अक्सर शिकायत होती है पब्लिक प्लेसेस में ख़वातीन को हरास करने की. तो उसमें ये लोग काफ़ी रेलेवेंट होंगे. तो इनिशियली हम ये दो एरियाज़ फोकस करेंगे और उसके बाद फिर एज़ वी मूव ऑन उसके हिसाब से हम अडेप्ट करेंगे. हमने जगह आइडेंटिफाई की हैं दोनों हवाले से, स्ट्रीट क्राइम के हवाले से भी और ये जो हरासमेंट की शिकायत आती हैं जहाँ पे फैमिलीज़ के साथ, तो वहाँ पर हम लोग उनको नीचे लाते हैं.
Observers are of the view that stepping up surveillance, investigation and conviction rate should be on to-do list of the authorities. Not just Karachi, but Pakistan's overall conviction rate is below 9%, one of the worst in the world. Systematic flaws have been blamed time and again by the observers, but the government has not come up with anything substantial to deter criminals. So, it is apparent from the reports that it is not the innovating policing what city needs, but a comprehensive overhaul of the system which has done nothing but embolden the crime.